I just made chicken and dumplings. A lot. I really like chicken and dumplings. A lot. What did you do with the onions? I chopped. What did you do with the celery? I chopped. What did you do with the carrot? I chopped. After that, where did you put it? The pot. Did you saute it in oil? A drop. What's that you covered it with? Stop. How much flour was that? Forgot. How much milk did you use? A lot. What did you season it with? A lot. How much the recipe made? A lot. How you prepared the chicken? It's Bob. Took it out the pack, gave it a chop. Please at least tell me that the dumplings homemade. They take the biscuits out the can, cut in pieces this small. Before I put them in the pan, I roll them into a ball. Thought the recipe was hard, but it isn't at all. Yeah, make it for the fam when it get cold and fall.